Many teachers find teaching mathematics quite stressful, but teaching multiplication to stage 3 students, that can be even more traumatizing. But don't worry, this video will explain how you can teach your students the dreadful mathematics in multiplying 2 and 3 digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. So where does this fit in the syllabus? Have a look here. This is what we will be focusing in this video. You might be familiar with using algorithms, but using the area model might feel vague or even new to you. But don't worry, watch and learn.
Okay, so now let's start with multiplying from 2 and 3-digit numbers together using the algorithm method. 567 times 42. 7 times 2 is 14, put down the 4, carry the 1. 6 times 2 is 12, add the 1, put down the 3 and carry the 1. 5 times 2 is 10, add the 1, put down the 11, and the answer is 1130. Now we place a 0 here and multiply the rest using the 4 in the tens column. Make sure you add the two numbers together, and it should make 22,814.
Wait, where does the 0 come from?
Misconception 1. Many students struggle explaining where this 0 comes from because they have just learnt it procedurally. They don't inherently understand that the 0 is necessary in holding the digits to the relevant place value. They don't understand that the 4 in the number represents 40, 4 tenths. Hence, do not understand why we place the 0 there.
Now the area model. Students must explore different methods of multiplication other than the algorithm so that they select and apply appropriate strategies for multiplication. This is particularly more important as it is a precursor to the use of the area model for the expansion of binomial products in stage 5. So now let's solve it. We break the numbers according to the place value, so 567 becomes 560 and 7, and same for the 42. Now we multiply the rows and the columns, so 500 by 40, 500 by 2, 60 by 40, etc. Then we add the columns together, and then the final step is to add the two numbers we previously got. And voila, we get the same answer of 23,814.
Common error 1. Let's look at what this child has done. Can you see the error? That's right, place value. Some students who struggle with the area model do so as they cannot successfully divide the numbers into the appropriate place values. In order to use the area model efficiently, the students will need a thorough understanding of place value to the hundreds and simple one-digit multiplication. Many students think that they can just break up the numbers as they want as long as they add up to the original number. Did this video help you?
Well, thank you for listening.
Created using Powtoon.